This video will show you how to post your rental listing to our Coastal Housing Partnership rental site. Our site can be accessed by 45,000 plus employees from 60 local member companies. Let's review the steps to list your property. To start, you will open up your web browser and go to rentals.coastalhousing.org. If you do not have an account with us, click Register here. Here, you will click on the Landlords tab. On this screen, you will enter in some very basic information. You can leave the company field blank if you are a private landlord. Click Register once you have entered your information in the data fields. In your email inbox, you will receive an email to verify your account. Click Verify My Account. When you click Verify My Account, it will take you to the Landlord Terms of Service. Read the Landlord Terms of Service, and at the bottom, you will click I agree. Now you can log into the rental site, enter your email and password, and click Log In. Once you log in, you can click Add Property at the top to add your rental listing. Under Basic Details at the top, you will list the property name. The Status drop-down menu gives you 4 options to choose from: Available, Not Yet Listed, Expired or Deactivated, or Rented. You will enter in the rental price, how many bathrooms, your lease terms, your smoking policy, the property type, how many bedrooms, the parking options, and your pet policy. And really important, you're going to list the date that the property is available on. List your property even if it won't be available for several months. Employees looking for housing have a wide range of move-in dates in mind. In the description box, you can list all the highlights about your property and the surrounding area. There are several formatting options available to you. Under Location, you will enter the property address, including the city. Select the address from the Google Maps address drop-down. You can enter the unit number if it's an apartment, and now the location is listed. Check the boxes that apply under Amenities and Community Amenities. Under Featured Photo, you will upload the best photo for your property listing. Landlords usually post a photo of the front of the property. Click on Choose File, select your photo, click Open, and your photo is added. You will need to have a featured photo for the property to post on our rental site. Under Additional Property Photos, you have the option to select more property photos from your computer or drag photos and drop them into the box. Click on the arrow, select your photos, click Open, and your photos are added. Renters enjoy seeing several rental property photos that show the bedrooms, bathrooms, outdoor space, and the front of the property. Once you have listed your property information, you have the option to click Save Changes for later if you want to go back and add more details or photos later. If you click Save Changes for later, you will find your property in the section Not Yet Listed. Click Edit when you're ready to add more details or photos to your property listing. If you want to make your property available to renters, you can click Submit so our member employees can see your rental property listing. If you click My Properties at the top, you can view the property you listed. You can view or edit your listing. You can also note if the property has been rented, or you can deactivate your listing. In the future, if you deactivate your rental property and it becomes available again, you can easily make it active with the click of a button. Employees from our member companies are now able to view your property listing and inquire. If someone inquires about your property, you will receive an email with their contact information. Your email communication will occur outside of the rental site. There are many benefits of posting your rental property with Coastal Housing Partnership. 1, you have a targeted audience of local employees. 2, you have the ability to copy an entry to easily post similar properties. Our site is very easy to use and easy to publish your property, and you have the ability to archive property listings for future use. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact Kim Pascage, our program manager. She's happy to help you in any way. Thank you again for listing your rental property with Coastal Housing Partnership.